Hello kids, it's time for your story. Come, let us watch a moral story from Extramarks class. Here it is.
3 sons and a bundle of sticks. Once upon a time, an old man lived with his 3 sons in a village. All his 3 sons were very hard-working. Still, none of them agreed with each other and quarreled all the time.
Stop fighting with each other. You must stay united.
Months passed by and the old man fell sick.
I have asked you so many times. Why don't you stop quarreling and stay united? I must teach them a lesson so that they would stay united.
The old man called his sons.
I will give you a bundle of sticks. Separate each stick and break it into 2 pieces. The one who breaks all the sticks first will be rewarded.
Okay, father, as you say. The old man gave a bundle of 10 sticks to each one of them and asked them to break it into 2 pieces. All the sons broke the sticks into 2 pieces in a few minutes. And they started quarreling among themselves again as to who broke the sticks first.
Dear sons, the game is not over yet. Now I will give you another bundle of sticks. You must break all the sticks in the bundle at once.
The sons agreed and tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried very hard but could not break the bundle.
The sticks were the same. You could easily break a single stick into pieces in no time. But you could not break the bundle. So, if you stay united, nobody can harm you. I request you to stay united.
The 3 sons understood the power of unity. Father, now we have understood what you were trying to teach us. We promise you that whatever be the problem, we all will stay together. The moral of the story is, unity is strength.